Let me ask you something. What if I told you that one simple kid's story, yes, just one, could make you money in 5 different ways, all thanks to AI? No, it's not a whole series, not 5 books, just one story. Sound a little crazy, right? Well, buckle up, because not only is it possible, but people are already cashing in. And if you don't jump on this AI wave now, you might find yourself looking back and thinking, why didn't I start when it was this easy? Now, let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine wrote a bedtime story for her daughter using ChatGPT, just something simple about a bunny who learned to be brave. She read it to her one night and her daughter loved it so much. The next night, the daughter asked for that same story. Most parents will leave it as that. But she thought, what if the story could bless another child too? What if the story could make me money? Fast forward 3 months later, she turned that one simple story into an illustrated ebook, a narrated YouTube video, a printable coloring book, a product line for Etsy, and a Spotify podcast, all using AI. And yes, she's getting paid from every single platform. So in this video, I'm breaking exactly how you can do the same thing, even if you've never written a story before. So let's get into it. The first and probably easiest way to make money with your story is to turn it into an ebook and publish it on Amazon Kindle using KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Here's what you will need. Use ChatGPT to write or polish your story. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create child-friendly illustrations. Use Canva to format it into a book layout. They even have free templates, okay? Upload it to KDP and set your price. You can sell it for as little as $2.99 and still earn up to 70% royalty per se. And guess what? If your story has a lesson like kindness, bravery, or friendship, it's going to resonate with parents. Parents don't just buy books, they buy value. The second way to monetize just one kid's story is to narrate it for YouTube, even without showing your face. Take that same story and turn it into a storytelling YouTube video. You don't need a camera, you don't even need to speak. Here's how you're going to do it. You use 11 labs to generate a kids-friendly voice to narrate the story. Then you pair that narration with your AI-generated illustrations, edit everything in CapCut or in video, and boom, you have a full video. Even if you're not monetized yet, you can still promote your ebook in your description and also make affiliate income on related kids products or parenting books. This is the same method those channels are using. Kids story YouTube videos are pulling in thousands of views daily. That is passive income from something you already created. Third way, turn your story into a printable coloring book and sell it on Etsy. This one is low-key underrated, but trust me, printables are big right now. Take your existing story illustration and convert them into black and white line art. You could do this with Photoshop, AI, Canva, or even free tools online. And boom, now you've got yourself a cute little coloring book. And it did not cost you anything extra to make. Upload it to Etsy, where parents, teachers, and homeschool moms are always searching for kids coloring book. Alternatively, you can use Gumroad if you want to sell directly or build your email list. Price it at $4.99 to $9.99, or even better, you can bundle it with the original storybook for more value and more coins. And since it's digital, there is no inventory, no shipping, and no limit. You only make it once and you sell it forever. That is real passive income. The fourth way to monetize one story is turning it into a podcast episode for kids. Now, this one is next level. If you've already narrated your story or you're planning to, don't just stop at just video or ebook. Repurpose it into audio podcast made just for little ears. Here's a simple setup. Use Spotify for podcasters. It's totally free. Upload your narration using 11 labs or your own voice. Add a little soft background music to set the mood. It makes the story feel magical and natural. Parents love screen-free content, especially for bedtime, car rides, all those moments when they need 10 minutes of pits. Start small, guys. All you need is one story for episode 1. Then what? Keep going. One story a week turn into a full series. And when your audience start to grow, you can start monetizing through sponsorships, affiliate links. Hello? Passive income. Or you can start promoting your own books or printables. Who knew bedtime stories could bring in bank? Are you ready for the fifth idea? Of course, I know you are. And finally, idea number 5, create a mini merch line with AI design. This one is for those who want to go big. Because seriously, what is cuter or smarter than turning your storybook characters into an actual merch? Thanks to AI, the print-on-demand game has changed completely. No design degree, no inventory, just your imagination and a few clever tools. Think about it. Maybe your main character is a brave little bunny like my friend created, a curious dinosaur, or even a kind-hearted dragon. Now, picture that character on t-shirts, stickers, mugs, posters. Then, pop into Kittl or Canva AI to design some adorable slogans like "Be brave like Bella Bunny," "Kindness is magic," "Dream big, Dano." Use Printify and Etsy to launch your mini merch line. Kids love cute stuff and parents love buying meaningful things for their kids. And now you're not just selling a story, you're building a brand from one single story. Yep, one. So listen, you don't need to be an author, you don't need a team, you don't even need a whole library of story. You just need one good story and the courage to act on it. AI has made it so easy so anyone can turn a simple idea into something profitable. An ebook, a video, a printable, or even a podcast. The tools are already in front of you, but tools do not make money. Action does. And if you are sitting there thinking, okay, but how do I even create a story in the first place? Don't worry, I've already got you covered. I made a full video showing you exactly how to create kids storybook using AI from start to finish, even if you don't have any writing experience at all. Just click the link on screen or in the description and I'll walk you through every step. Your one story could become a brand, a business, or even your first stream of passive income. But you have to start. Click that video and I will see you there. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free Etsy shop startup guide. It's linked down in the description. This guide will walk you through how to open your shop step by step so you can start selling your coloring books or merch today. And hey, if this video gave you ideas, drop your heart in the comments. I would love to know which one of this you're running with first.